Hey guys, you are watching Look Pretty by Sangeeta. My name is Sangeeta. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Today I'll be showing you a pink purple halo eye makeup and paired with a pink lip shade. To create this look, I'll be using my BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have already done my cleaning and toning. Now I am applying my moisturizer. Here I am using my Pond's Daily Moisturizer. For prep my lips, I am using Blistex Lip Balm. Now for primer, I am applying the colorbar primer. This primer is so awesome. Now for little bit glow on my face, I am going to use the Nykaa Strobe Glow in the shade Glow Mine. And with the help of a kabuki brush, I am applying it on the highest points of my face. It's time for hide my dark circles and dark patches. Here I am using my favorite orange color corrector from Krylon. I am applying it with a flat shader brush. For foundation, today I am using my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC35. Firstly, I am applying it with my fingers and then blending it with the kabuki brush. Blending it properly on your face as well as your neck and ear. And to highlight the high planes of my face, I am going to use LA Girl concealer in the shade medium beige with a flat shader brush, and then I am blending it with my beauty blender. To give my face little dimension, I am using my LA Girl cream contour in the shade Toast. I am going to apply it on the usual areas like hollows of my cheeks, jawline, forehead as well as my nose, and smoothly blending it with my beauty blender. For baking my face, I am using my RCMA loose powder with the help of a powder brush. For the bronzer, I am using the Makeup Revolution bronzer and go over of my cream contour. After that, I am using my Sivana blush on the apple of my cheeks. Here I am using my PAC setting spray. For highlighter, I am going to use my Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. So I have already done my right eye, and now let's begin with the left eye. First thing first, I am applying my Mars eyebrow pomade on my eyebrows. To clean up the border of my brow and as a primer of my lid, I am using the LA Girl concealer. First I am applying it with a flat shader brush and then with a beauty blender, blending it properly. And then I am taking a little bit of RCMA loose powder to set my concealer. Now I will take this purple color with a small blending brush and I am going to use this in the outer and the inner corner of my eyes, and then I will be joining the two corners through the crease. I will build the color gradually. Now I will take a pink shade and blending it with the purple color on my crease. I'm going to cut my crease right in the center of my lid to using some concealer and with the help of a concealer brush. Now with the help of my fingertip, I am blending my eyeshadow with the concealer. After that, I am taking a pink shade with a brush and applying it right beside the purple color. In the center part of my lid, I am going to use a light pink shade with my fingertips. Now blending all the color together to avoid any kind of harsh line. Now I am applying my Swiss Beauty glitter eyeliner in the center part of my eyelid. For eyeliner, I am using my inglot gel eyeliner in the shade number 77. I am also going to smooth it out my lower lash line with the help of a same purple color. To prep for false lashes, I am using my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and now I am using my false lashes from pack. To hide the lash band, I am using my inglot gel liner. Take the same mascara and applying it on my lower lashes. Now I am using my Makeup Revolution highlighter for highlighting my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. After that, I am using a lip liner of the brand named Mars. Lastly, I am applying a pinky shade from Nykaa in the shade 32M. So here is my final look. I hope you all are enjoyed my video. If you are enjoyed my video, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Keep watching. Bye bye.